Hi all, my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS institutions. So today I am here to present you a topic called as the heuristic searching strategies. This heuristic searching strategies comes under the unit of unit 2. So let us see what is the concept behind it. So before getting into the topic, I would like to explain you what is search in AI. Search is nothing but you have a problem, okay, you have to find a solution for that. The path that you take or the process that you do is called as a search, okay. Now in this there are three components that is evolved, that is nothing but the problem, the search space and the blind space. Problem is nothing but it is a kind of finding a path for any kind of the starting stage and the goal state, okay. Search space is nothing but the way or the every possible directions that you take for reaching a goal is called as the search space, okay. Now this blind search is nothing but it is the kind of a process in which you will have no information about anything and you have to search the process. This is actually an exhaustive method. So there are certain methods in which you will be following the heuristic, searching process, that is breadth first search, depth first search. These are all the examples of this blind search. Now, what is heuristic? Why are we using the heuristic? What is the need for smarter guesses is? Now, what is heuristic? It is nothing but they are just a kind of rules or a kind of informed gestures that guides you to do the searching process in an efficient way. So now this blind search limitations, these are certain kinds of limitations which actually allows you to do the process, but this process of searching will be slow and it is actually inefficient for doing some of the larger complex problem. So the real world examples for this heuristic is the map process. So now this heuristic functions will be denoted as h of n, which is nothing but the estimated cost for the for reaching the goal state from the current state, okay. The primary role for this heuristic function is to do the searching process and how the searching process could be done. Now, there are certain heuristic algorithms that is being evolved. The first one is the greedy's best first search. The greedy's best first search, it actually always expands the nodes which is closest to it, or it does the searching process with the nodes that is very close to it, and it always takes a value of h of n, okay. If you have 2 points, okay, you have to find out the solution of which and the process will do only when you find the process of in which the estimated path or the estimated cost is low. So f of n will be h of n. The next thing is the A star search. A star search is nothing but it is a combination of both the actual cost and the estimated cost, okay. It will be denoted with the f of n, that is nothing but the function value. G of n is the actual cost and h of n is the estimated cost, which I explained you in the previous slide. So estimated cost is nothing but the, say for example, if you're traveling from one place to another, you might have estimated the cost planned for that place in some process and the actual cost will be different, right? So the sum of both the thing will be the f of n value. So now why this A star search, okay? A star search is nothing but it works with some of the optimal paths. It is actually very futuristic things and you can do the process in an efficient way. Example for this is GPS navigation. Next is, what is the properties of heuristics? There are two properties, that is admissibility and consistency. Admissibility is nothing but it actually never overestimates the actual cost or the true cost to reach the goal, okay. It has everything will be very optimalistic and accurate. Consistency is the process and the continuous execution is called as the consistency. So designing good heuristic is, it can be done with some relaxed problems, pattern database, learning from the past experience. So there are certain real world examples of this heuristic search, that is nothing but GPS navigation, robotics, game AI and logistics. So these are the key summary for today's topic, that is heuristic search uses it is one of the informed guesses. It uses the terms of h of n. Greedy's breadth-first search is fast but may not need the optimal path. Okay. Now A star search will take the value of g of n plus h of n. Designing good heuristic search is actually crucial. So this is what all about heuristic search is. If you have any doubts, you can reach it out with the comment section. As of now, thank you. Have a good day.